Okay, I'm going to do it with sound this time. Hi, I'm going to help you to connect Claude and ChatGPT to Notions. Okay, there's two ways to get to it from here on Claude. So you can go to your settings, and under settings you can go to connectors, add, browse connectors, and Notions right here. When you click the plus sign, it takes you here, a new window pops up, and you connect right here, and it connects to your account. Easy breezy. Okay. Now, because I don't want it, I'm going to show you the other way. Oh, okay. Let me get out of here so I can show you the other way at the same time. So the other way is just to go to customize. I don't know if you saw that. Customize button. And from customize connectors, and it's the same process. And when you want to get rid of it, like I do, you click here and remove, and it's gone. All right. Now, if you also wanted to do this with ChatGPT, you go to plugins, and then it's right here again. Click that, and you're connected. The exact same process. And this is where all the other plugins that you might want are located. The same with Claude. You have all of these options for different things that you could connect. These are the MCPs, the things I make too. Okay, that's it. I hope that's helpful.